Hi, thank you for joining. My name is Rashan Ladyfire Jones, and I am so excited to come to you today, launching my new program through LJM Media, which inside of LJM is the Academy. And the Academy was devised because I had a lot of people requesting or asking me to provide them with mentorship in different areas of business. Because I am only one person, I decided that I needed to put it all together for and facilitate a program. So I'm excited today that I will be launching the first program in the Academy. This program is called CES Therapy. CES Therapy is Cranial Electronic Stimulation. Cranial Electronic Stimulation is a type of therapy that is provided through a device called AlphaStim, which the device sends frequencies to your brain, allowing for natural occurrence of transfer of natural hormones to take place, like your serotonin, dopamine, HTP, GABA. So all of these hormones are natural products inside of your body that our body naturally produce that regulates our emotions and our feelings. And when these processes don't take place naturally, then we become depressed, anxious, have trouble sleeping. Also, we have pain. So this device works on all four of those areas. It works for depression, it works for anxiety, it works for insomnia, and it works for pain. I have implemented this into my practice and my business, and I have seen tremendous results occur in my patients. It has taken and accelerated their progress, I would say almost double in short lengths of time. I have multiple case studies proving that this device does everything that it says and more. So it is FDA approved. It is prescription only. So recently, I engaged with a group of my peers at a wellness retreat and also education networking in terms of real estate. But while we were there, I provided the CES therapy machine to the participants, and I got great feedback. So it gave me an indication that this was something that it was not just to be offered just to my patients that was suffering, but anybody could benefit from this. And if anybody could benefit from it, then also anybody could also monetize from this, especially, and why not healthcare providers and why not nurses? So I decided to go ahead, develop a program, training, manual, everything compact all in one along with the machine to get you started and also making a nice profit for yourself. Also, at the same time, it will benefit you and your family. I love a gift that keeps on giving. So this is what device looks like. It comes in packaging as such, right? So this one device can be used over and over and over again. So you could provide the service. Also, you could provide the actual machine. There are no harmful side effects from the usage of this machine. So that is another plus. The only contraindication in using CES therapy is if you are pregnant and if you have electronic device or implant, like a pacemaker and such. So those are the two contraindications of using CES therapy. So essentially, anyone could use the device. I have used it in my practice from on adolescents, also adults, all the way up to age 65 plus. And I have seen, like I said, tremendous results in multiple ways. The device is, like I said, FDA approved for depression, anxiety, insomnia, and also chronic pain. But it does much more. I have seen so many other things be resolved with the usage of this machine for many of my patients. So that is exciting alone. So this is a perfect service to add in addition to whatever service you already have. So if you currently own a practice, or if you currently are a concierge service, or if you're looking to start a concierge nursing service, this is a perfect program to add in addition to what you already currently may be offering to bring you in additional revenue. Because you can definitely work less and make way more using this product. And so let me just go over what my program will entail. So the program entails, basically, it will include the machine. It also will include a manual of all of the information that you need in terms of using the machine, in terms of educating your client about the way the machine works, how they would use the machine, how you would use the machine. Also, multiple case studies where this has been uh, used and tried, and studies shown and proven, which is why it is FDA approved. You will receive a certificate of completion showing that you are capable of providing and been trained and educated on providing the service with the CES therapy machine. Also, so you will receive a certificate. You will also receive clinical instruction where I myself will show you how to use the machine in various ways to support and facilitate the best outcome for your patient. Also, for you to facilitate the best outcome for your bottom line of implementing it into your business. Also, what will come along with the program is a merchant account for your business with a business line of credit. Yes. So, because I am a person that also works with businesses to help grow and develop them, I feel like you need to encompass everything. So, I have implemented as part of this program that as well, where I will be providing you with a merchant account, because how else will you be able to collect your payments, or if you wanted to do a subscription type program for your business, this merchant account will be perfect for that. Long are the days over where we need to depend on PayPal, Stripe, and things of that nature to receive payment. If you I've experienced some negative effects from using those types. So I just know that as a business owner, that it is best to have your own merchant account where now you can facilitate your payments easily with no problems and no issues. Also, like I said, with the merchant account will come a business line of credit. So, and that's with you not being a personal guarantor on that line of credit. It will strictly be the line of credit will be your business. So that's a great win-win without you even having to have already established business credit. This is a product that I have access to that I can help facilitate for you. So along with that, you will also be provided with a private support group where in that group we will be discussing continuously anything in terms of further growth and development of your business and just peer support of, hey, look, this is what I did with my business, this is what I'm doing now, this. So just a great a group of where we can come together and discuss new and innovative and creative ways of further growing and capitalizing on the business, because as you all know, with the pandemic that happened, mental health has already been deemed as the next pandemic. So why not be on top of it and be on the forefront providing a service that tackles all those major components? Again, it tackles depression, anxiety, insomnia, also chronic pain. The four things that the government is now pushing initiative to put a resolution to. So that means that you would be equipped to be a solution to a problem. If you are a solution to a problem, then guess what? The people will come to you. So let's just talk about as well what it looks like financially, how it looks just at the basic bare minimum. So at the basic bare minimum, you could, for a total of 12 hours per week and just seeing 18 patients, you could capitalize on $5,040 a month. That's with not having to hassle with insurance. That's not having to worry about, oh, if I'm going to be reimbursed or anything like that. So you could see 6 patients for $50 and that would be them doing a 20-minute CES session. So that's just 2 hours. Then if you've seen 6 patients for 40 minutes, that's just 4 hours. And you could charge $75 per session. You also could see 6 patients for 60 minutes. That's 6 hours. And that would be, you could charge $85 for that hour session. Now, that does not include at all if you saw chronic pain patients. You could actually just see chronic pain patients if that is how you wanted to structure, your business with using this device. At that price, you could start out at $125. Now, all these prices I gave you are just base pricing. They're not etched in stone, because at the end of the day, your pricing is always based on your market and your target audience. So it could be nominal, but these are all things that I will be teaching in the academy to show you and give you these strategies and plans, because these are things that will come and be included inside of the program that I am offering. So who wouldn't want to add, with little time, little effort, add an additional, and that's just base $5,000 a month. You could actually, honestly, easily get $10,000 a month, or more. I'm just giving base because I know I have gotten $10,000 from using this product with less time. And this is one of the reasons why I'm not stressed in my practice. So definitely a win-win. I would love to have you to share all of the knowledge, all of the benefits and access that I have created with using this device. It has been, like I said, a tremendous, tremendous, tremendous improvement for my business, also for the health of my patients. So I am an advocate for anything that will improve and shows that it actually worked for people, because I am not a proponent of people spending money and using things that doesn't work, because who wants to spend money on something that don't work? This machine is, I honestly feel, should be in every household in America. Even if you already are a provider, and you are set up with insurance, taking insurance, I can also show you how you can implement it in your business that way too. So if you are a mobile, or you're doing a concierge business, if you're doing home care, if you are any contact where you are providing care and services to people, this is a program you definitely want to take advantage of. And it's not just for the community, it's also for yourself. It's something that you can use for yourself. So one investment that you make can triple, quadruple just from one. And I started off with just one. Now I have over 10. So just one machine can change your whole trajectory and add way more to your bottom line. And like I said, you know, it's a solution to a problem. So there's another part along with getting this, because now you can also provide a rental program. So, which I will provide you with all the documents that you need to initiate that, all of the contracts and things that you would have to initiate and input that in your business. So right now, I am offering this course, which will launch August 21st. That's right. The course will launch August 21st. That is a Saturday. It will be a in-person course, because again, there is the clinical component that I want every person that takes part in this. I want to make sure that you excel and you get the best out of the machine. So I want to make sure that you understand how it works and how to utilize it. So there is a clinical portion. Now, if people do want to come virtually, you can come virtually, but in order to complete, you will need to take part and come to do the clinical portion. So you cannot get around not doing the clinical portion. So The introductory rate for this, which I like to say the early bird special, it will be $2,500. And again, that includes the machine, the manual, the business strategy setup, also the business merchant account with the business line of credit. So if you feel like that this is something that you want to take part in, I encourage you to click on the link below where there is a form. You fill out that information for your interest form, and me or someone from my team will be getting back with you to get you even more in-depth information to find out if you are a good fit for the LJM Academy. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward from hearing from you. Bye-bye.